Arang, jangan sama sikit lama kesana gua alun bakal nyerok hing tong aja. Nang John cina kiri jam tong wasirine.
Bos Randy itu nih harga ini.
Kopi aja karing go jepa nyai. Bon alun mana? Bon apuru champion ngai. Buji kenal le. Nih toh ada.
And over there are some things in life you sit back and you know they just feel right. This just
feels right. The New Day return to their home brand of SmackDown. For the amazing Sunday, Kofi Kingston, the New Day, and the entire following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from St. Louis, Missouri, champion, the Viper, Randy World Heavyweight Champion, John.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
Cena, it could be Kofi. They meet no submission in this match wins. And Orton goes right after John Cena, kicks it after Randy Orton. Here we go, king any strategy for any one of these individuals.
Well, I don't know if you're going to see, well, possibly Cena and Kofi Kingston might perform some.
matchup a little more manageable for both. And remember the personal issues between Cena
And Orton and Kingston and Orton. John Cena and Randy Orton really having the rivalry of the year last year. And Randy Orton has unleashed the side of Kofi Kingston we never knew existed. A steal one, the Viper! Kofi Kingston left alone with Cena in the ring. Triple threat rules, first man to gain pinfall or submission will win.
You can't see me. Five knuckle shuffle.
Is it enough for Cena? He's stepping up the way many young superstars have, including that man.
Oh, there he is.
The WWE Champion Sheamus, who we'll find out tonight who his next opponent is.
Randy Orton, and then this, just a few seconds ago.
Out of the equation for the time being. Randy Orton. Threat rules, division will win this match.
Randy Orton saving the matchup. Not only for Kingston, but for himself. Shows himself to John Cena. You can't see me. Five knuckle shuffle. Is it enough for Cena? Randy Orton.
Attitude adjustment. Oh, Kofi Kingston saved the matchup. Ow. Now tries to wear down the pressure man, John Cena. Kick to the jaw of Cena. Kofi Kingston, a controlled frenzy. Looking to ride that wave. And John Cena dropped toe hold. Remember, submissions count. STF.